The 2009 Rutan. Ladies and gentlemen, start your families. The Rutan boom has begun and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: DVD system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, HomeLink garage door opener, air conditioning, front, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.